Hi, let us create gradients inside of Canva. Yes, you heard right. Now you can create your own custom gradient inside of Canva. Okay, so you select your very own colors and then you make them into gradients. One other interesting thing about this is that Canva's shapes now can be changed from solid colors into gradients, and with that also you can make a color fade, or the gradients you are using fade into transparency. This is just amazing. Let me just show you what I mean. So you hop into Canva. Let's come to custom size. You can input whatever size you want over here. I'm going to go with 1080 by 1350 as usual. Next thing you want to do is to add your shape. Okay, so I'm going to hit R. No thanks. I'm going to hit R to bring up my rectangle. Let me scale it up just a little bit. You click on color, and then you can see an icon appears in there. You can either click on it or you can come to the add new color. Whichever way, it works fine. So I'm going to go ahead and come here, and then you're going to realize that there's gradient. Click on the gradient, and this is where the magic begins to happen. So let me quickly add a few more colors so that when I change them, the changes are going to be a little more obvious. Okay, so this looks fine. Now the styles, you come to styles, you're going to realize that there's linear gradient, that's 90 degrees. So that means that the gradients are stacked up 90 degrees. It moves from yellow all the way to the last gradient. Now when you come to 180 degree, now it's stuck up horizontally. Alright. Next we have the linear gradient, that's 125 degrees. So that's kind of like diagonal, right? Next we have the circular one, otherwise known as radial gradient. So it progresses from within like a circle. And then we also have another circular one that moves from the upper left corner to the lower right corner. So that is it. And then also, you can change the transparency, as I said, of each and every color you have here. Let me start with the yellow one. Now you can choose the transparency. Let me just quickly add a picture here so that you can understand what is going on. Just add this cool picture by Canva. Okay, let's take it to the back and move it upward. So now you realize that coming up here, because I reduce the transparency, you can see the color, the picture behind the gradient, unlike when it comes down here, because I haven't reduced any transparency here. Let me just bump this up a little bit so that you can understand exactly what I mean. Let me click here, come to the color again, go to edit the color, select this color, and then reduce the transparency. So you can see that particular color's transparency has been reduced. And this is just a little bit of what gradients in Canva can do. Just let your imagination go wild, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this one.